Mauryans' art and architecture. The Mauryan Empire witnessed significant developments in the field of art and architecture. While some of the early Mauryan art forms may have been influenced by pre-existing artistic traditions, the empire's artistic achievements also had a unique character of their own. Here are some notable aspects of Mauryan art. Pillars and capitals. One of the distinctive features of Mauryan art is the use of monumental stone pillars with intricately carved capitals. These pillars, often made of polished sandstone, were erected by Ashoka across the empire. The most famous example is the Ashoka Pillar at Sarnath, which features a capital with 4 lions, known as the Lion Capital of Ashoka, which is now a symbol of India. Stone sculptures. The Mauryan period saw the development of stone sculptures depicting various subjects, including humans, animals, and mythological figures. These sculptures displayed a high level of skill and craftsmanship. Many of them were found at the Mauryan capital of Patliputra, modern-day Patna, and other sites across the empire. Stupas. Stupas, or large hemispherical structures housing relics of the Buddha or other revered figures, were an important architectural form during the Mauryan period. These stupas were built with brick or stone and adorned with elaborate carvings and decorative motifs. The most famous example is the Great Stupa at Sanchi, which was initially commissioned by Ashoka. Rock-cut caves. The Mauryan period witnessed the development of rock-cut caves, particularly in the region of Barabar and Nagarjuni hills. These caves served as places of worship and retreat for Buddhist monks. The caves are known for their polished interiors and intricate carvings, showcasing the artistic skills of the Mauryan craftsmen. Pillar capitals and animal motifs. The Mauryan art often featured pillar capitals with intricate carvings of animals like lions, elephants, bulls, and horses. These animal motifs represented power, strength, and nobility. The pillar capitals were adorned with detailed ornamentation and served as important symbols of Mauryan authority and grandeur. Terracotta art. Mauryan art also included the use of terracotta for various artistic expressions. Terracotta figurines, pottery, and decorative objects have been found at different Mauryan sites, showcasing the artistic prowess of the period. Architectural accomplishments. The Mauryan period witnessed the construction of grand palaces, fortified cities, and extensive urban planning. The Mauryan capital, Patliputra, was known for its impressive buildings and magnificent structures. The use of advanced construction techniques and architectural innovations marked the architectural accomplishments of the Mauryan Empire. These are just a few examples of the artistic achievements of the Mauryan Empire. Mauryan art played a significant role in conveying the empire's power, religious beliefs, and cultural heritage. The surviving remnants of Mauryan art provide valuable insights into the artistic and architectural brilliance of the time.